Hello everyone, welcome back to school. Today, I'm going to walk you through what will be our daily videos. So every day you will have work to do, and every day I will post a video about the work we will do. So this is our home page of our Schoology class. Then we go down to Welcome Back, Preparing to be Successful Online. That will be our first module. Then we go to week 1. And today is Tuesday, September 8th. We'll go to Tuesday, September 8th. Here you have the video of the explanation of the day. What is going to be completed for today. Then you have 2 folders, async, which is short for asynchronous, which is work that you will do independently. And you have sync, which is short for synchronous, which is work we will do together as a class on Zoom. Let's look at the async folder first. You have 3 activities you must complete. The first activity, you are going to click Level 6 Introduction. The Level 6 Introduction is an introduction and an explanation about the class. Please read through each slide. The second activity for today is how to navigate Schoology on your phone. So the videos will be for Android and for iPhone, just so you are familiar with how to navigate Schoology on your phone. The last asynchronous activity for the day, let me introduce a friend. So today in our synchronous activity, together as a class, you are going to meet one another. And there's an activity you will do to meet one another and get to know each other. So you are going to share something about one of your new friends or classmates. And you will come in here in the discussion post and you will click the comment box and type about your friend and then click post. Please check for spelling before you post. Those are the 3 activities for asynchronous work that you will do on your own. Now we are going to go to the synchronous folder. What are we going to do together as a class? Here you have the Zoom meeting details. Here is the Zoom code and the password, or you can simply just click the link. Remember, all of this information for Zoom is also on the home page of the class. Then we're going to do a community building. Community building means getting to know one another. So this is the activity we will do, and it is from this activity you will complete the 3rd asynchronous activity about your friend that you met today. And the last thing we will do together as a class is take a tour of Schoology. How do we use Schoology? How do we find information on Schoology? So that is the 3rd thing that we're going to do today as a class. Good luck.